if I is equal to t square plus 1, find the flow of charge in a cross section of conductor between 0 to 3 seconds. Also find the number of electrons flow in this time. See, if we know I current is equal to rate of change of charge, or we can write we have to find out charge. We have to find out charge. So how we can find out? So dq is equal to I into dt. dq is equal to I into dt. What is the value of I? I is equal to, or if you want to know, integration of dq is equal to q, and integration q, it means current is flowing from 0 second to 3 seconds. It means initial limit, final limit. So therefore charge is equal to into I is equal to t square plus 1 into dt. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3 seconds. So integration, what is integration? Integration of t square into dt plus 0 to 3 plus 0 to 3, 1 into dt. So which is the charge is equal to? So is equal to t square. See, integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, that is integration. So this is equal to t cube divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 into the limit we have to apply, plus integration of constant is equal to t. So this is equal to t 3 to 0. First we will apply the upper limit. In place of t we will apply 3 cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 0, so that is equal to 0, plus what about this one? First we will apply the 3 minus 0. This is equal to 27 by 3, 9, minus 0, no value, plus 3 is equal to 12. So charge is equal to 12 coulomb charge. So charge we have got. So first answer is find the charge in the cross section. Charge is equal to 12 coulomb. Then also find the number of electrons flowing. Since we know charge is equal to number of electrons into charge on one electron. Number of electron and charge on one electron. Therefore n is equal to number of electrons. He is asking find the number of electrons. N is equal to number of electrons. So n is equal to, therefore n is equal to charge divided by charge of n electron. So charge is equal to charge as it is, we have find out 12 electron, charge on electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. This we can write 12 into 16 into 10 to the power minus 20, which is equal to 12 by divided by 16 into 10 to the power plus 20. So this is number of electrons. So 12 divided by 16, it comes out to be 7. 12 divided by 16 is equal to 7.5 into 7.5. 12 divided by 6, 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 18. So number of electrons is this many electrons. So therefore the charge on this charge is equal to 12 coulomb and number of electron is equal to 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 19 electrons. If 10 to the power 20 electrons cross the section of a conductor, it means there is a conductor and through its cross section 10 to the power 20 electrons crosses. So number of electrons, n is equal to number of electrons crossing a conductor section. So which is equal to 10 to the power 20. And find the associated electric current. See, associated electric current is equal to charge divided by the time. So, and the time also in 1 second. So dt is equal to 1 second. What about charge? See, charge, as it is, we have seen charge is equal to number of electrons into charge of 1 electron is equal to 10 to the power 20 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. See, charge of electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So we can say dq is equal to, this is 10 to the power 1.6 into 10 is equal to 16 coulomb. 16 coulomb. Since charge is equal to 6, now the problem is easy. So current flowing through is equal to rate of flow of charge through a given cross section. So charge is equal to 16 coulomb. Time, and the time is given in 1 second, is equal to 16 ampere current will be flowing through the cross section. The associated electric current is 16 ampere.